What's up friends, welcome back to Joe tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Rednote. So go ahead and open up whatever profile that you want to block or post, or click on the person name that you will find under any post. I'm going to choose this person as an example, and I open this post. Now if you click the person picture or the profile name at the top there, you will be taken over to that person profile. Now in order to block this person, click the three dots on the upper right hand side and simply tap on block, then simple tap on block again, and that person is blocked. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. You can easily go ahead and unblock that person. If you know the profile, you can see it directly there and unblock it. Otherwise, if you want to go into your profile to unblock that person, all you have to do is just simply go to the three dots on the upper left hand side, then click on the settings there, and then you want to go to privacy. And here you will find, if you scroll down, block users, and you can go there and you can tap on the profile and simple unblock that person. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.